Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see if a product is available in a shop in the Leroy Merlin app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. Then search for a product. Products, let's say light, interior, lamps. Here you can see the products, and below add to cart, below the add to cart, you can see how many shops are available these products. For example, this red lamp is in 20 shops available. And let's say I would like to have this black one, then I tap on this, it's available in 20 magazines. You have to choose the state. And the location. And the shops. And continue on the website. Tap on that green button. And here you can see it, 11 products from this lamp is available in this shop. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.